In a world filled with synthetic products, the allure of natural handmade soap stands out. But why should you make the switch? Handmade soaps are crafted with pure, natural ingredients. No hidden chemicals, just nature's best. Infused with essential oils, these soaps not only cleanse but also offer therapeutic benefits, from relaxation to rejuvenation. Free from harsh chemicals, handmade soaps are gentle, making them perfect for all skin types, especially sensitive skin. Rich in natural oils and glycerin, these soaps moisturize the skin, leaving it soft and supple. Handmade soaps often contain skin-loving nutrients like vitamins and antioxidants, nourishing the skin deeply. With biodegradable ingredients and minimal packaging, choosing handmade soaps is a step towards a sustainable future. Each bar is unique, crafted with love and care. From textures to scents, there's a handmade soap for every preference. While they might seem pricier, their benefits to the skin make handmade soaps a healthier choice in the long run. So, the next time you reach for a soap, think about what goes onto your skin and into the environment. Choose natural, choose handmade.